Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if this is your first time. I am the work from home finder, and I have a lead for you guys today coming from a company called Loom. And by the way, this is a non-phone position, so if you don't want to talk on the phone, this is a job for you. So again, the company is called Loom. The position is called CX Advocate. And let's read a little bit more about the company. Loom is the video communication platform for sync work that helps companies communicate better at scale. Loom makes it easy to record quick videos of your screen and camera and instantly share them with the link. More than 20 million users across 350,000 companies around the world trust Loom to share feedback, updates, intros, training, and more every day. Founded in late 2015, Loom has raised $203 million from world-class investors, including, please forgive me if I butcher these names, Andreessen Horowitz, Sequoia, Kleiner Perkins, Iconic, and Coatue. Let's look a little bit more into the role. This role is part of our international support team focused on providing a world-class 24/7 support experience to all our Loom users. We are advocates of Loom to our customers and the advocates of our customers to Loom. You will be responsible for supporting our customers via email, Zendesk, Slack, and social media. You will help them resolve any issues they encounter with our platform while proactively finding ways to enhance their Loom experience. We take every opportunity to connect with our customers through the power of video and to help them be successful with Loom. Our mission is to help change the future of communication at work. You will work very closely with our sales, success, and product teams, serving as the voice of the customer to improve our product. You will be an owner of the customer experience, elevating it with an element of humanity and advocacy. All right, so let's hop down. Here are some of the responsibilities, or all of the responsibilities listed. Please feel free to review all of the responsibilities that this job entails. I'm going to scroll down. It talks about a little bit of what they're looking for. I'm just going to browse a few of the bullet points. The first one being 1+ years experience working in customer support, customer success, or another customer client facing role. I feel like most jobs are customer service. So, just working with people, interacting with people on a daily basis at your job, people outside of your coworkers, obviously, that counts as customer service. So all you need is 1 year or more of experience. It also states that they're looking for experience delivering excellent support with curiosity, empathy, and advocacy for the customer's experience. An advocate dedicated to taking ownership in their role and sees every challenge as an opportunity. So those are just some of the things that they're looking for. I read about 3 of the bullet points, so feel free to read the rest. Let's look down at the perks. Benefits are always important, so let's look at those. They have a competitive compensation and equity package, comprehensive medical, dental, and vision coverage for employees and dependents for U.S. employees. 14 paid company holidays, plus summer break in July and winter break in December. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know any jobs that offer that other than working in education, working in schools. So you guys might want to hop on this one. They also offer flexible spending account, independent care flexible spending account, healthcare reimbursement for international employees, life, AD&D, short and long-term disability insurance, 401k with 4% company matching, wellness stipends, flexible PTO, paid parental leave, remote work opportunities, professional development reimbursement, and home office and technology reimbursement. Guys, those are some wonderful perks right there. As we scroll down, it talks a little bit more about the company and how they work. Such things include freedom and flexibility, engaging workday, work-rest balance, social connections. So please feel free to review all of those things in regards to how the company works. And then as you scroll further down, it just talks about how they are an equal opportunity employer and how they are not allowed to discriminate. And then here is where you can apply. Fill out all this information. Go ahead and attach your resume and cover letter. If you have a LinkedIn profile, you can plug that in there. Okay. More demographic information. And if you don't want to answer, they offer that option in each of those areas. And then once you're done, you submit your application. Okay? So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this lead. I actually will link this link. I'll put the link in my my comments. You'll see it in the pinned comment section because I'm not able to put it in my description box right now. So again, this lead comes from a company called Loom. The title is CX Advocate, and it is a non-phone job. Hop on it, guys, and good luck. See you next time.